Here we go. We're here at the beach of San Francisco. What is the name, honey, of this beach? South Beach? Honey? Ocean Beach. This is the Ocean Beach, San Francisco. Look how Dana, she's really excited. She's the one who wants to really come here. So our tour guide take us here, Ocean Beach. That's the way Dana can play around for a while. She wants to be in the ocean for a while, so she can play. We have 10 minutes to play before we head out. So this is it. It's a real sand. It's not a white sand beach, but it's really soft. Really nice. Something to remember as a family. And Dana can always remember. And you can see a lot of people here surfing. That's it. Ocean Beach of California. You can see the cliff house. Here it is. Look how happy Dana is. So cute. I'm already almost low, but oh, look at people are doing surfing. Sunset. Take my hand. Oh, you don't. Ocean Beach, California, San Francisco. Kids are playing there. Huh? Yeah. Just enough for them to do surfing, huh?
These are just little waves.
Oh, they know we're gonna be so. I have 2-minute video for them. Oh, that's so fun there. A lot of people are swimming.